Earnings season isn't over yet. There's still a couple hundred companies reporting this week, including one of the big tech juggernauts. Let's jump right in and see what is going on this week on the earnings front. Our first stock that has a great track record is in the restaurant group, which has been struggling recently. Red Robin Gourmet, RRGB, they do the cheeseburgers and, of course, those steak fries. But they have had the three misses there, including one just 3 quarters ago. But other than that, they have a great track record. Shares have just sold off here as investors have gotten concerned about what's going on in the restaurant group, about the consumer spending, and also about labor costs. But I'm going to be tuning in here because Red Robin Gourmet has a pretty good track record of some solid same-store sales results, and I want to know what's going on in the more fancier, sit-down, casual restaurant area. So this is one to watch. Our next one is the tech juggernaut I was talking about, Cisco. They haven't gone yet, and as you can see, they have a perfect track record. They're very consistent at beating. Of course, just because they beat last 5 years doesn't mean they will going forward. Shares look like they really want to break out there. It's tested that level twice now. If they get another beat, maybe some good guidance, we could see these move higher. But the chart is, not as fluid and straight up as a lot of the other ones. But again, if you're playing the beat or the miss, Cisco is definitely one to have on your list for the beat side. And then our next tech company is Synopsys. They have a real good track record. That beat in early 2012 that miss is about to fall off on the chart here, the 5-year chart. And that would leave them with just 3 misses. Shares have been off to the races since 2016. This is on the software side, so everybody has pretty high expectations. Is it priced for perfection? We're going to find out this week. And then our fourth company is a stock that you might have heard in the news. I decided to include it here because they just have the 2 misses in early 2012 and then early 2013. So otherwise, they got a good track record, Rexnord. They are Milwaukee-based. They've been around since the 1800s, so a little different than some of these other companies I've talked about today. But they were in the news because of moving some jobs to Mexico. So if you're familiar with that story, you might have heard Rexnord. They are reporting shares, it's been choppy here, but they do have the good track record. So again, if you're playing the miss and the beat, this is one to tune into this week. Those are some top names that are going. Now, remember, I look through all the charts so you don't have to, and I pull out, the ones with the best earnings records. It's not easy to beat every quarter or nearly every quarter as these companies have been doing. So when they do, I like to pay attention. You can also check out the options trades on any of these over on Zacks Live Trader. Dave will be covering some of these big names this week, so tune in over there. Again, it's Zacks Live Trader with Dave Bartosiak, because I'll just cover the normal beat and miss charts, but he covers everything else over there with the options. So be sure to tune in again all this week for more on the earnings side.